Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man, Eric Brinkman, out here filming another episode of The Customer's House in Xenia, Ohio. This is the before door. The guys haven't been out yet to do it, but this is just an aluminum framed sliding patio door. It is a 3-panel door, and so we're going to take this out and put in a brand new vinyl one. All right, the guys got it installed. This is the new 3-panel sliding glass door. And we are actually out here at Shawnee Lake, right outside of Jamestown. You can see on this one that they do not have the grids in the glass like before because they want to be able to see the nice view of the lake. And this isn't all we did. This is the second time we've been out to this customer's house to do a job for them. So we're going to go on upstairs and take a look at the other sliding door in the front window. So here is the 6-foot sliding door that we did on the main floor to go out to the deck. And if you want to walk outside with me, we did the capping in black. I wanted to show you that. So here on the outside, you can see that they trimmed it in black. Just like the front room window, it's actually black inside, black outside. So we're going to go take a look at that. But man, look at that gorgeous view of the lake. Also, we did the sink window, almost forgot. So the first project we did was their sink, this sliding door here. And then if you want to come around this way in the living room, we did this 3-light slider, and they chose the cottage style interior grids, and it is black inside, black on the outside. So we're going to go outside and get a picture of it on the outside so you can see how the whole project turned out. So here we are on the outside. Customer has this really pretty flower box under the window that really makes it pop. And also on the job, we didn't actually do this, but we're going to go ahead and show it anyway because it is a Provia product. They did a double entry door, and it has the interior grids. Take this off so you can see. It has the interior cottage style grids, and it's a double entry, black, and it is a Provia door as well. So, all right, everybody, thanks for joining me for another episode of The Customer's House. Hope you enjoyed.